Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna show to you how to delete your Telegram account. So what you're gonna have to do is to simply open Telegram and then simply go to your settings, and after that you're gonna have to simply scroll to privacy and security, and then here what you're gonna have to do is simply scroll down, and as you can see there is this option that says automatically delete my account, and you have this option to delete your account if you're away from it for, let's say, 1 year. Now if you tap on that, you can see that there are different timelines. So you have 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and then you have this option to delete your account now. So simply tap on that, and basically this is how you can delete your Telegram account. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.